In today's episode, perfectly creamy mashed potatoes with the help of a friend in the kitchen. I don't have any scientific proof, but I really believe that at least one person in every family adores mashed potatoes. In our house, it's George. And this recipe is so easy you can make mashed potatoes any day of the week. And having done it plenty of times, I'd be the first to say making mashed potatoes is not a reason to buy a $1,000 appliance that's been a constant in Mediterranean kitchens for years. But when I use my Thermomix for so many dishes in the kitchen, it sure helps to simplify the simple job when I make foolproof mashed potatoes. Of course, you can use the same ingredients to make these potatoes on the stovetop, and I'll give some tips about how to do that as we go. But for now, let's get started. Begin by simply peeling and cutting 2.2 pounds or 1 kilo of potatoes into 1-inch chunks. It doesn't need to be exact, just try to keep them similar in size. Turn on the Thermomix, prepare the lid without the center cup, and insert the butterfly whisk. And using the built-in measuring scale, add the potatoes until you reach around 1,000 grams. Again, it doesn't have to be precise, just close. Now zero out the scale and add about 300 grams or 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 cups of milk, depending on how soft you like your mash. I'm using low-fat milk today, but whole milk or fat-free are good options too. And don't forget a healthy pinch of salt to start, but we'll adjust that to our taste later. Now dial in 25 minutes with a temperature of 98 degrees centigrade or 208 Fahrenheit at a speed of 1. On the traditional stovetop, this will be just above a simmer and you'll need to stir it occasionally, which gives us plenty of time to prepare 3 tablespoons of butter. I use so little butter that I buy it in these easy-to-freeze individual pats and just pop them out as I need them. Now, the time is up and we're ready to finish the potatoes, so add that butter, replace the lid, and reset the machine for only 30 seconds with a speed of 3. And just like that, the most perfectly silky, smooth, rich mashed potatoes you could ever imagine. And since we're being a little indulgent today, serve them with a nice pat of butter in the middle to remind everyone just how rich these are, and add another sprinkle of sea salt.